Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to Mary's Creative Decor. These are the projects that I'll be working on today. But guess what? There's two tables here. One I'm going to do on my Creative Decor channel, and the wooden one I'll be painting on my other channel, Furniture Redesign. So if you want to see how the wooden table comes out, you have to check out Furniture Redesign. I'll be painting this table to match the mirror. Now this mirror has its own texture, but like I said, I will be doing it on the other channel, and I will leave a link to it in the description box below. So the black table does have a glass top. So the first thing I want to do is get this glass top off the table so that we can start working on it. Now I just want to take 180 grit sandpaper, and I'm just going to rough up the piece. And I'm doing this again to make sure my paint has something to adhere to. I shouldn't have a problem because I am using Rust-Oleum silver paint to paint the piece, but I just want to make sure that I have a good bond because again I am doing this for someone. Now on the top, when I removed the glass, I couldn't get the rubber stoppers out, and I didn't want to break them, so I'm just going to sand around it, and when I get ready to paint, I'll make sure I cover up the top so I don't get any paint in the suction cup. I'm going to get the sanding done on the table. I'm going to wipe the dust away with a damp cloth. And of course, I have to spray paint it outside. So I'm going to do that and I'll be back. It's been about 2 hours. I have 2 coats of paint added to my table. Now we are ready to start blinging this baby out. I decided to start with some mosaic tiles. Now, of course, they are self-adhesive, but I want to give it a tighter bond, so I'm using some Gorilla Glue. I'm also making sure that I spread the glue out thin before adding my mirrors. Now I have some flat diamond bling that I got from Michael's, and I want to take that and put it just at the top around where the stoppers are. The glass will fit on top of the top stoppers, and these are low enough so that it shouldn't interfere with the glass. I'm going to still use that Gorilla Glue and apply these bling gems to the top side of the table. And here's a closer view of the look that I'm going for. I didn't have enough of the mirror mosaic tiles to finish the look that I was going for, so I ordered more. They'll be here on Thursday so that I could do the top and the bottom tier. Now I'm ready to decorate the legs on the table. I've raised it up the best I can on my other table here. So I purchased this bling wrap from Amazon. Now it is self-adhesive, but I'm going to use my Gorilla Glue as well to add it to the legs of the table. And here's a closer look at the chain bling wrap we're using on today. It's very, very pretty. It's a chain wrap and it's like 3 rows of bling. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to the table with my Gorilla Glue. I'm sorry, I'm a little out of focus in adding the wrap on the side legs, but I'm just going around the circular part and I'm bringing it down to the top of the table. I'll cut the wrap at the screw in the middle and continue on to the top. I'll make sure I use a gem of some sort to cover up the screw in the middle. Okay, everyone, while the glue dries on the table, and since I'm not going to do the wooden table, I'm going to do it on my other channel, I want to do these glasses. I want to do a little bit of glam to these glasses to go on the table. I'm going to use my chain bling to make them beautiful and blinged out like the table. And here's a closer look at that chain bling. It is a single row. Very, very shiny, and to adhere it to the glass, I'm going to use my E6000. I'm going to take the E6000, go around the bottom of the glass where I want to start my bling. Once I get the bling started, I'll take the E6000 and make maybe 4 rows going in an upward motion to where I want the bling to stop. I'll make a couple of circular motions with the bling to get it on the glass. Then I'll take my E6000 and go all the way up as high as I want the bling wrap to go. Then I'll just take the bling wrap and wrap it around the glass, making sure that the wrap is close to one another. Once I get it going good, all I have to do is just twist the glass in a circular motion, making sure that the bling wrap still is touching, and I'll just keep twisting until I get to the top of the glass. I'll cut the bling wrap, take my E6000, go around the glass in a circular motion, and then continue wrapping, making sure that everything I cut off is around the glass. And there you go. Quite beautiful it is. I'm going to make 8 of these, and I'll come back to show you all 8 in that beautiful table we've been waiting for. I'll see you in a bit. And here is my table complete. It turned out absolutely beautiful. Now my client wanted this black wrought iron table glammed up, and I think she'll be happy with how it turned out. If you take a closer look, I added larger stones to cover up seams or wherever there was a screw head. And here is a closer look at the glasses and how they turned out. Absolutely stunning. I've seen sets of 4 of these glasses go for as much as $50, but why pay $50 when you could do it yourself for pennies? So if you've enjoyed this video and its content, it's time to hit the subscribe button. Also, don't forget the notification bell so you'll be aware of all my upcoming videos. I want to say thank you all for watching and have a wonderful, wonderful day. God bless, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.